Exam results are just the start of your story.
What should you do if you didn't get the results you wanted?
Well, there's plenty of options out there, so the key thing is not to go into a major panic, because there's plenty of stuff that we can look at. So if it's staying on in education or looking at different courses, if it's looking at jobs or training, we could explore that with them.
What are the next steps after getting your results?
If your results were what you thought and you have a plan in place, you're probably ready to take your next step. If your results were better than you thought, or perhaps not quite as good as you thought, you might like to take a bit more time to discuss your options with a qualified, impartial Working Wales advisor.
Want to start work rather than carry on in education?
So a lot of students might want to start doing some jobs instead of going into further education. So at Working Wales, we've got plenty of advisors who can give free passion advice, but also we can do CV building with them. We can look at the skills that they've got. We can offer work tasters and start exploring what kind of vacancies are out there locally, and make sure that they are filling in job applications, and we can go over interview techniques as well.
What other options are there aside from continuing in education?
So the other options might include things like vocational courses, apprenticeships, working for yourself, opening your own business, becoming employed, or volunteering. For expert advice on all your options, you might like to contact a Working Wales advisor who can help you make the best decision for you.
Search Working Wales Start Your Story.